How can you encourage your visitors to interact with your website, and why is that important? Find out this week on Website Wednesday. Welcome to Website Wednesday, your weekly destination for quick tips on how to improve your business website. You know, it's important to get visitors to take action on your website, but the action they take doesn't necessarily need to be to purchase something at first. The action can simply be to click on something, leave a comment, or interact with some kind of element on your page. These micro actions help your visitors get invested in your website so that they'll stick around longer and have a better chance of taking a more important action later on, like filling out a form or purchasing a product. I've got some examples of micro actions you can try on your website right now. Number one, encourage commenting. Leaving a comment is a great micro action because after a visitor leaves a comment, they'll often come back to the website to check to see if anyone's responded to it. Encourage people to leave comments on your blog posts by asking them at the end of the post. Tie the question that you ask into the topic that you wrote about in that particular post. For example, if you wrote a post about tax season, ask your readers to leave a comment about why they struggle and what they struggle with when it comes to doing their taxes. Also, think about opening up the comments on other pages on your website besides just the blog posts. And this is something that's easy to do on websites that are built on WordPress. Number two, include social media sharing buttons. Make sure that you add those social media sharing buttons at the bottom of your posts and maybe even your pages as well. This makes it easy for your visitors to share that particular page on their favorite social media platform if they find it helpful. So, you need to make sure that that information you're giving is helpful and people will want to share it. But just, again, make sure that you're asking the people who are reading the page to share the post on social media as well. And you can find lots of different social media plugins that you can add to your website through WordPress plugins. Number three, embed videos that don't autoplay. Videos are a great way to enhance your visitors' experience on your website, and it encourages them to stick around longer when they watch those videos. But make sure you entice visitors to actually click on the video to play it, which means it shouldn't be auto-playing and it shouldn't be playing by default, which is kind of annoying anyways if you visit a website and a video starts playing and the sound of the video starts playing and you don't want it to. So make sure that you're encouraging people to click on that video by making it not autoplay. Finally, add animated interactive elements to your website. You can encourage small interactions on your site by hiding information behind animated elements like an accordion drop-down or a flip box like you see here. These types of animated interactions help get your visitors used to clicking around your website and should help them be more likely to click on other things that are more important, like your contact button or a purchase button. All right, guys. Well, all of these micro interactions can be implemented on your website easily. If you have a WordPress website, you can find plugins that can do all of this stuff, or by hiring a professional web developer. Try these out and let us know in the comments below the type of micro interactions that you've implemented on your website and how it's worked out for you. Tune in next week when I'll talk about tips about how to make your website open lightning fast. Don't forget to subscribe or follow me here so you can keep up with the latest videos, and I'll see you next week on Website Wednesday.